Why smart investors are rushing to buy. The hidden truth behind the next big investment. This isn't just a catchy headline. It's the result of months of deep research that might completely change how you look at money and precious metals. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. Everything I share today is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. What you do with this information is completely your responsibility. So, why are investors, economists, and even tech insiders suddenly talking about silver again? Let's start with its fascinating past and what history tells us about its future. History of silver, like gold, has been used as money for thousands of years. It wasn't just something to wear or collect, it was real currency. In ancient times, people traded silver coins the same way we use dollars today. Back then, the ratio between gold and silver, meaning how many ounces of silver equaled 1 ounce of gold, used to be around 10 to 20. But as paper money or fiat currency took over the world, this ratio changed dramatically. Today, in November 2025, that ratio is around 80 to 1. That means 1 ounce of gold is worth 80 ounces of silver. But here's where it gets interesting. While gold is only about 10 times rarer than silver in terms of supply, it's 80 times more expensive. Something doesn't add up. Big question. So I asked myself, why such a huge difference? There could be two reasons. Either gold is overvalued or silver's demand is undervalued. After months of research, I found the truth. Neither of those are accurate. Gold isn't overvalued and silver's demand isn't falling. In fact, silver has been in a structural deficit for years, meaning global demand has exceeded supply. Silver's new identity. Here's the turning point. Silver is no longer just a precious metal. It has become an industrial metal, essential for modern technology. Today, over 65% of silver's total demand comes from industrial uses. And that's not slowing down, it's accelerating. Why? Because silver has the highest electrical and thermal conductivity among all metals that can be mined affordably. That makes it irreplaceable in multiple industries, where silver is hiding in plain sight. You might think silver is only used in jewelry, coins, or utensils, but you'd be wrong. Silver is quietly powering our modern world. If you're driving an electric vehicle, there's 25 to 50 grams of silver inside it. If you have solar panels on your roof, silver is conducting electricity there too. Your smartphone, your laptop, your home appliances all use small but vital amounts of silver. And now, with the rise of artificial intelligence and massive data centers, silver is becoming even more critical. In short, silver is everywhere, and most people don't even realize it. Supply problem. Now, if demand is rising so fast, can supply keep up? The answer, no. Most of the silver mined today doesn't come from silver mines. It's extracted as a byproduct from mining other metals like copper and zinc. That means we can't just increase silver production on demand. Recovering silver that's already been used in electronics is also extremely difficult. It's embedded deep in devices, often in microscopic amounts. So recycling isn't an easy fix either. That's why experts believe silver's supply will stay tight, even as demand explodes. Global impact. This isn't a local phenomenon, it's global. Every major economy, from the US to China, is expanding its clean energy and tech industries. That means silver demand is rising everywhere at once, especially in sectors like electric vehicles, solar energy, semiconductors, AI data centers, and green infrastructure. Even investors are getting back in through tools like Silver ETFs, exchange-traded funds that track silver's price and allow easy investing without buying physical metal. What's next for silver? So, will silver prices skyrocket in the coming years? No one can predict that with certainty, but here's what history and logic suggest. When a resource becomes more essential, harder to produce, and more integrated into modern life, its value eventually catches up. The same way oil powered the 20th century, silver might quietly power the 21st through clean energy and digital technology. I'm not telling you to buy silver, I'm telling you to understand it. Because the people who understand where the world is heading are the ones who build wealth before everyone else sees the trend. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, knowledge is the real currency of the future. Follow Money Source, where future billionaires come to learn the game.